Find the angle which an arc of length 22 centimeters subtends at the center of a circle of radius 15 centimeters. Take pi as 22 divided by 7. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. The length of the arc is 22 centimeters and the radius of the circle is 15 centimeters. The length of an arc is given by the formula theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r, where theta is the angle of the sector and r is the radius of the circle. Here we are looking for the angle, that is, we are looking for the value of theta. The length of the arc is 22 centimeters and the radius is 15 centimeters. So we will substitute that into the formula we have here. We are going to have 22 centimeters is equal to theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 times pi, which is 22 divided by 7, times the radius, which is 15 centimeters. 2 times 22 times 15 centimeters will give us 660 centimeters. And so you have 22 centimeters is equal to theta times 660 centimeters divided by 360 degrees times 7. To get theta, we will multiply both sides by 360 degrees times 7, and after that we will divide both sides by 660 centimeters, and that will give us 22 centimeters times 360 degrees times 7 divided by 660 centimeters, and this will give us 84 degrees. So theta is 84 degrees. It means that the angle of the sector is 84 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C, 84 degrees.